friends, I'm back. Okay, I have a huge tower of clothes right here because I'm recently just filmed like 3 hauls. 3 hauls. So I'm trying to powerhouse through this, and everything I'm gonna show you, just know I got 40% off because this receipt is just ridiculous. Where did I put it? So, hi, welcome to this haul. I'm Moni. If you're new here, hi. Nice to see ya. Subscribe, like this video, follow me on social media. All the details will be in the description below. Hi. So this is a Rue 21 haul, yay. So sometimes Rue 21 will have like these random sale things, like you purchase a perfume, you receive 40% off your entire purchase, and this is like what? Okay, it says 12 bucks, but I didn't pay for this essentially. Everything was 40% off. Just disregard that, okay? Now, if you haven't seen my other Rue 21 haul, you will know I found the best jeans of life there. The highest, well, they're literally called the uber high-waisted jeggings, but these jeggings have pockets. Love. I hate when jeans don't have pockets. Like, what are you? Ugh, get away. And I found another pair. Ironically, I was gonna order these pairs online because I saw they were online. Didn't see them in store. I was like, what the heck? I want them, but I don't want to order them. You know? So I was in store and I saw these. I'm like, oh, I don't have those. I need them. So, so I got these in a size 20. If you wanted to know, I am 5'8", and typically I'm always a size 20 in jeans. So if that helps you, and I'm apple shaped. So yeah, these were $26.99. Again, I got 40% off. I don't know, and I think the jeans were like buy one get one half off too. So these are light washed denim. Yes, well, jeggings, but I don't know. What's the difference between jeggings and denim? Like I can't. Pants. Got these pants in light wash. Been wanting light wash. Got them, found them. Great price. Yes. And unlike the other jeans that I previously bought, the uber high-rise jeggings, the knees are not cut off. So regular old jean, they fit great. I'm so excited. They have a good stretch to them. They wear decently well. And I love the Rue 21 pants because like the pockets, I don't have a big butt. I wish. And these pockets don't sit low where it just makes my butt look ugh. Like I just feel like they make me look good. So yay. Go try them. If you want uber high-waisted, like let's say you have high-waisted jeans, but you just feel like, oh, they're not high enough. Get these. I promise. I swear by them. Now I did purchase another pair of pants since it was a buy one, get one 50% off. And ironically, when I purchased everything, I didn't know that they had this sale when you buy a perfume and get 40% off, but I was pleasantly surprised, and these pants are inside out. Okay, so the next pants I'm gonna show you are these high-rise ankle jeans in color green because, hello, I don't know what fabric this is, but it's so, ooh, so soft and stretchy. And I got these also in a size 20, and they were $26.99. Again, 40% off. I love. I wasn't gonna get these because my mom got them, and I was just like, oh, okay, you do you. But she's like, go get them. It's buy one get one. Why wouldn't you? Buy one get one 50% off. Not buy one get one free. But these fit really great. A good high rise, not the uber high rise, but these sit very comfortably. Good stretch. Love the color. Could wear these with some black booties. Ooh, or military boots. Oh yes. Great pair of jeans. If you have trouble finding jeans or finding affordable good jeans, try Rue 21. Not every Rue 21 has a plus size section, unfortunately, but they have great deals, sometimes even better deals online than they do in store. And I'm pretty sure you can get your orders shipped to the store if you need that option. So even if your store doesn't sell plus size, you can get plus size shipped to the store, and then you can try it there. And then if you don't like it, you can just easily return it. If you are confused about what size you are, I would say they're very true to size. So let's say you go to Forever 21, you wear a size 20, you probably wear a size 20 in their stuff. Sometimes their sizing can be a little inconsistent. So also only buy things if you have a coupon or there's a sale going on, FYI. I would say purchase the 2 sizes you're a little confused about that you're gonna wear, and just whichever one fits best, then you return the other one. So I had someone recently ask me on Instagram, which you guys should follow me and be friends and we can talk. Okay. Oh, this is wait a minute. Oh. Hold on. This. Okay. I had other items in this bag from Old Navy. I always do this, I swear. So this is another item I got at Rue 21. This was actually on clearance and it was for $9. I'm pretty sure that day clearance was half off. But I actually got this in gray, in a dark gray, but they had a green, and I think I got this in a size 2X. I think this was the largest size I had left. But I love this. This is so comfortable and so soft, and this is one of the reasons why I wanted the high-waisted jeans, because these are cropped, and I'm like, oh, I can wear these with my green pants. Might be a little bit too matchy, but whatever. Do you. Don't care what other people think. Please, please. Live your life for yourself, not for what other people. Not worth it. Not worth it. Yes, love. They do have a pretty amazing clearance sale. Like if you go when they alert you like, oh, clearance sale, whatnot, they always have a bunch of stuff, like a bunch of stuff. I'm like, why is this on clearance? Because no one bought it. Like, why? So good. I feel like Rue 21 is still kind of like a secret to some people. Like they're just unaware. Now let's get onto the unexpected Old Navy haul, shall we? Got this in the extra large. Was this one on clearance? Because I remember, yes. So this was on clearance for $9.99, which I was like, what? Again, it's yellow. I just slapped myself in the face. It's this really cute yellow. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be a dress. I might wear it as like a tunic. We'll see. But it's yellow with these really cute like fuchsia, pink little flowers on it. Very Hawaii. I like it. It's so cute. I like when shirts have these little panelings because it just helps structure the top part of the dress and then lets the rest of it flow out, which it's a style that I really like. And it has these little ties right here. Makes it a little bit more spicy if you wanted it to. And it's long sleeves, very comfortable, so cute. I love. Great deal. Old Navy is always a good place to get like staples or really like simple stuff. So I got this next item in an extra large. I love this. So I think it was a year ago, maybe even 2 years ago. No, it was a year ago. I went to California. I actually purchased almost identical, same shirt, just a different pattern, and it was striped blue and white. Oh, and it's so comfortable because it's so thin and breezy. It's definitely like a beach shirt. And one thing I really like too, it has you see the section for where the bust is, it's quite small. Like mine is bigger, but I like it because it gives that kind of look to the shirt that's very flowy, very bohemian, which I love. And I love the print. And this was actually on clearance too for $17.99. Don't know how much it was originally, but I like it. So cute. So cute. I want to find some like beachy pants, like that material, but pants. So I got this, essentially the same shirt in a different color. I got it in this really cute like baby pink. I'm trying to find a tag. Now this I paid original price, $26.99. Guys, look, it's so cute. I love it. Now these are a bit see-through. If you have any items that are see-through, please, it drives me nuts. Okay, let's say you have a see-through white shirt, right? People are like, oh, just wear a white bra. No, wear a tan or skin colored bra. I promise you, they won't see it. It won't stand out. You won't see it. It's just, oh God, I hate it. Oh, so please, if you do that, But what I'm gonna do, I have a bunch of unpadded, unlined bras from Adore Me that are very bright in color. I'm gonna wear those underneath on those really hot, but kind of like windy days, and just be comfortable and sexy and cute. And yeah, like I'm just gonna show you. I have a massive tower of clothes, which are all gonna be hung right now, and I hope I'm still in focus. But yeah, that was my supposed to be only Rue 21 haul, but also hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know what stores you guys want to see hauls from, online, in store, doesn't matter. Let me know. Also follow me on Instagram, because I'm always doing like polls, and I'm also doing like little Snapchats of like when I'm in store. Like sometimes if I'm between like 2 items, or I ask you for advice like, oh, should I get this? Even though one day I asked like, oh, should I get this dress from this store, and you guys like, no, and I was like, still bought it, and everybody loved it on my haul. So let your voice be heard and follow me on there. I have all the links down in the description. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like me, press the subscribe button. Also press that stupid bell thing, because supposedly you won't see my videos unless you click it. I don't know. Also share this video, please. It helps. Thanks. Love ya. In all true sense of the word, thank you for all the love and support, and thank you for watching this video. I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.